All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about miners. There's a launch today, Elk of Fortune. That's right, it's launching today on Saturday. This is going to be a fantastic project. We're going to go over that. We're going to go to their Telegram group. We're going to go over the Cake of Fortune a little bit. They kind of feed each other. This is going to be a fantastic thing. I love these projects. I love the Cake of Fortune. Love the Elk of Fortune. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Understand how to get in these projects. Might as well get it out of the way right now. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only, to document my DeFi journey in crypto, having a great time. Even though the streets are bloody, some of these projects like the Cake of Fortune and the Elk of Fortune, this is where you want to basically be looking at. Let's head over to the Elk of Fortune. Here you go, guys. The Elk of Fortune launching today. Welcome to Elk of Fortune, a smart and sustainable way to grow your elk on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, it's launching at, I believe it's 6 p.m., 6 UT time. I think it's 2 o'clock Eastern time. So in about, by the time this launches, in a half an hour to an hour after this launches. If you missed the launch, it's not that big of a deal. This project's going to be fantastic. Reminds you a little bit of the crop farmers. You have to approve your elk right up here. I'm going to do an approval. You hire your miners. You're going to compound. Let's see here. There's going to be a lottery that's going on this, which is fantastic. You buy lottery tickets. Every time you get so many elk in, you're going to get tickets, and there's going to be percentages. You're going to get like 1% of the contract if you win per day, which is fantastic. There'll be more information on this. What is the Elk of Fortune? Let's go over this. What is the Elk of Fortune? Elk of Fortune is a decentralized game built on the Binance Smart Chain. The objective of the game is to hire more miners sooner and more often than other players. This in turn will earn you more elk faster. These miners work for you tirelessly, paying you daily average of 3%. So this is a 3% that you make a day on your miners. The daily percentage return depends on the user's actions that will be taken within the platform that impacts the miner's efficiency rate. The more miners' efficiency rate rises and falls as you hire miners, compound earnings, and pocket elk rewards. Once the miners are hired, they cannot be sold, and the investment made to purchase them either through depositing or compound. It cannot be taken back. So whatever you put into the contract, you can't take that back. You take back your rewards. However, once it's bought, the miners will not stop producing yield for you. Note, the sustainable and longevity of this game will depend on every single player's action. It is crucial to compound your earnings at least as often as you pocket them. The moment someone doesn't do their part, the game as a whole will start to suffer. It is also important to spread the word and recruit more players to join. Every person that brings in 2 players. You know, if we all kind of share this with everybody, the Cake of Fortune and the Elk of Fortune, both of these projects are not going to be getting rugged. They're going to be around for long term, and you can actually earn some income with this, which is fantastic. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Everyone plays the game as it's meant to be played. Everyone will win. Do your part, and this game will last a really long time. The dev fees will also be used in the SUR pools to increase the contract balance and longevity of the contract, viewed sustainable. All right, so a couple things here. Let's show you how to, well, first of all, the Cake of Fortune's right here. So this is the sister or brother project. This Cake of Fortune is fantastic. There's about $11,000 in this. 1% of the elk is going to go into the Cake of Fortune. I would recommend getting in both of these. Again, I'm not a financial planner, but if you're going to play the game, do it the proper way. Because when Craig gives away different giveaways and this and that, you have to be in both projects. So definitely be in both projects. So the Cake of Fortune right here is fantastic. This has been out for about a month and a half. About a month ago, there was $3,000 in this contract. Now there's $11,000. He actually suggested, you know, do maybe compound one day and claim one day. You know, he wants you to actually make profit with this. So, or compound 3 days and claim one day, whatever you want to do. So I have 121,000 hunters, 169 feet per hour. All right, let's go back to elk here real quick. A lot of you have never heard of elk. So what do? You basically buy the elk. You click right on the website, buy the elk. I'm actually going to buy. All right, so we're going to actually use BNB here to show you how to do this elk here. All right, I already have a lot of elk already, so I'm going to do 0.25 BNB. So that's going to get me 208. I think you got to do 300. So let's go 0.35. Okay, so it's actually, let's go 0.38. All right, perfect. 0.38. So I got 0.38 of BNB here. I got 316 elk. You got to have 300 to get into this. If you notice right here on my wallet, I already got 3,000 elk. So I'm actually just doing this for the video so you guys can see how to do this. So I'll put 3,400 elk in. I don't really care. I really like this project. All right, but for the people out in video land that know, so you know how to do this, look at, I got BNB on the top. I got elk on the bottom. I click swap. It's confirming the swap. I come over here to the right and confirm it. Now I go to my ledger. I recommend everybody get a ledger. It's really good to have. Okay, I'm working on it right now. Hitting the approvals. All right, it's going through. So I have 3,100 elk, and I just got 300 more. So I want to show you. See, it says it's pending. So this 3,100 elk right here will go to 3,400. 3,100, 23, boom, 3,430, or 3,440, I should say. So that's what I'm entering the Elk of Fortune with today, about 3,400 elk, which is fantastic. All right, so you see how easy that is. Right here, add to MetaMask. If you don't have a little elk thing in your MetaMask wallet, click right here, add to MetaMask. That's what I did, and then all of a sudden the little logo will come up and you'll see it in your wallet. So right there, elk. All right, that was pretty easy, huh? So right here at the top, buy your elk, Elk of Fortune, start your fortune, lottery tickets, verify contract. Let's go down here to go over some of the... So how does the lottery work? Every 3 elk you deposit or compound, you automatically be given 1 ticket to the current lottery, up to 50 tickets maximum. These tickets come out at no additional cost to you, and then you have no impact on your overall investment. The lottery is automatically drawn every 4 hours, and when the lottery has 100 participants, whichever comes first, when the lottery is selected, 90% of the lottery pot goes to the winner. Fantastic. Let's go back over here to the Elk of Fortune. Hit this YouTube over here. Everything you need to know. Crypto Craig will go over.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the Elk of Fortune, and we are on 1,030 cake.
Yeah, they got 1,030 cake. It's 4,900. Now there's 13,000 or 1,000 cake. We'll come back to that in a second. Let's go back. They got 1,000 cake. Now there's 3,500 cake. So look at how freaking fantastic that is. Anyways, everything you need to know, Crypto Craig will go over here on the Telegram group, Fortune Hunters. You click it. This is, again, I'm just trying to cover a couple different things. Everything you need on Fortune Hunters is here. They go over Elk of Fortune in this Telegram group. They go over the Elk of Fortune in here. Everything you need to know. There's other YouTubers that are talking about this. There's another video right there, which is fantastic. Look at all these videos and stuff. Everything you need to know about Elk of Fortune. Go to the Telegram group. Also, I want to show you this. I'm just kind of scrolling here. This is what I kind of do. I go into this Telegram group and I learn everything. They have all kinds of good information. But Craig posts a lot of...
So we're recording. Right, so 1 minute.
So there's a lot of different posts that Craig's going to have inside the Telegram group to keep you updated, which is fantastic.
Right, so I was explaining it in the last...
So you have that right here. They pin different things and stuff. So the Telegram group is your friend. Going back here, how to buy your elk. Let's go back to elk. So everything you need to know. I know I'm going all over the board on this, but I've been waiting for this Elk of Fortune to launch for a couple weeks. There was a couple challenges with the code. They were finding some things. They wanted to take some time to make sure it's right. I can guarantee you this project is not going to rug, which is fantastic. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. My link will be at the bottom. You get your frequently asked questions, verified contract, welcome to the Elk of Fortune, the Telegram, everything you need to know. This is launching today. If you're watching this in 3 to 7 days from now, it's not too late to get in. I just noticed that I still had my camera on what's it called, from that ledger and stuff like that. No big deal. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. This is exciting. The launch is today. Another project I could put in my portfolio that actually makes me money. Again, not a financial planner, but this is fantastic. The Cake of Fortune is one of my favorites. The Elk of Fortune. Click right here, and I'm going to list a video on the Cake of Fortune. Click right here, and I'm going to list a video on Trust Miner, paid out in USDT. Both of them are great. We've been waiting for this. Some of my people on my channel have been like, when's the Elk of Fortune coming out? When's the Elk of Fortune coming out? Today. Now, again, if you're watching this in a week from now, no big deal. There's a lot of excitement about this project, but this project's coming out today. There's a minimum of 300 elk to get in, which I think is $87. Not that big deal. I think I'm throwing in freaking $900 or something. Again, invest only what you're willing to lose. You want to play with what you want to play with. Some people put $87 in. Some people put $500 in. Some people put $4,000 or $5,000 in. You got to do what's comfortable for you. I believe in Craig and his team. So that's where I believe he's going to be around long term. He's trying to create a project that is healthy for the investors. He's trying to create a community that's healthy for the investors. With his YouTube channels, he kind of goes over everything with the Cake of Fortune, with the Telegram, very upbeat and on top of everything. So I feel great about this. Hey everybody, it's launching today. Believe it's 6 UTC time. I think that's 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, so 2 o'clock our time here in the United States. If you're on the East Coast, what time would that be? So figure it out. Click it. Go to the Telegram group. Launching today. You don't have to worry about being first in. It's not really built like that. If you get in a week later, if you get in a month later, you're still going to be fine. I actually got in the Cake of Fortune a few weeks later. I didn't get in the first day, so it's not that big of a deal. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and you have a fantastic day.